in terms of the physical discomfort that you're experiencing. Hunger, what is hunger? Hunger is meant to be aggressive on the body. It's meant to impact on you. It's meant to destabilize you. It's part of your survival system. So the cravings are there to keep you alive, essentially. Because if you didn't feel, imagine being in a cave tens of thousands of years ago. I just made a fire, or I have some animal first. I saw Kushti, outside is raining and it's snowing and it's stormy. If I didn't feel that hunger, that need to feed myself in such an aggressive way, and this is where cravings come in, right? They're very, very unpleasant. But what I tell my patients all the time is that they're meant to be unpleasant. Because who on earth would even want to go in that rain or in that snow to go hunting and find some more food in order to feed yourself if you're comfortable here in a cave where it's warm and you have maybe your tribe around you and you sit around the fire and you entertain yourselves in one way or another. So cravings are meant to be aggressive in order to motivate you and to send you over to out in the real world to get your fix, to get your food, to keep you